In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Gmail email into a Word document. This process is simple and takes just a few minutes. So let's get started and break down the steps together. First things first, you need to log into your Gmail account and locate the email that you want to convert. Once you have that email opened, you'll see all the content that you want to transfer into a Word document. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything that follows. Now you want to highlight the entire content of the email. To do this, click and drag your cursor over the text until all the text you need is selected. Once you've done that, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard simultaneously. This will copy the highlighted text to your clipboard, a temporary holding space for any text or items you've copied. Next, open up Google Docs, which is a convenient and free online word processor. If you don't have it open yet, go to your preferred browser and access Google Docs. You'll be starting a new document, so once you're there, paste the copied text into this fresh document space by pressing Ctrl and V on your keyboard. You should now see the text you copied from your Gmail email displayed in the Google Docs document. With the text in Google Docs, it's time to prepare it for download. Head over to the File menu at the top left of the screen. Clicking on File reveals a drop-down menu with several options. Here, you need to look for and click on Download. Another menu will pop up, offering different formats to download your document. What we're interested in is saving this as a Word document. So, in that pop-up menu, click on Microsoft Word. Choosing this automatically starts the download of your document in the Word format, which is denoted by the .docx file extension. There you have it. You've successfully turned an email from Gmail into a Word document. With this document saved, you can now edit, print, or share it as needed using Microsoft Word or any other compatible word processing software. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Converting emails into Word documents is a great way to keep important information on hand and have it available for offline access. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Until next time, happy converting.